How to contact Stripe support from the Stripe Help Center. Sometimes we run into payment or account issues on Stripe. So if we do not contact the support correctly, our problems may take longer to resolve or impact our business operations. So let's fix it the right way. So we can directly head over to the app or open up a browser if you have a browser instead. So you can within the app look out for the icon at the top left, the shop icon, and tap on it. And within there, a menu pops up on your screen, and we have a section called Feedback and Support. So you may find that section there and tap on this option called Email Us and tap on it, open it up. And when you do, here we'll be finding this section right here. So where we can contact them, we can email them. So for that, provide in your email address, and right below it, we need to provide in what issue you have or what question you're trying to ask them. And once we do so, we can just go over and ask for the help that we are exactly looking for. So type it in, given a description that should probably help them to help you earlier, like faster. So you can just go and enter it up. And right below it, we have a section for upload a photo. You can tap on it and select up the issue, upload the issue photo for faster, for more convenience. And once it is done, you can tap on submit and provide them with the email, and they should probably contact you back. Or if not this, you can go to their help center within the browser as well. You can close this off for now. So let me just show you. Let's open up our browser, and there directly type in Stripe contact support. And then you should be finding a link available. You can tap on stripe.com, contact us, or help and support page, any of the one which is more preferable for you. And there just go over and look out for the help and support page, tap on get support or contact the sales, media press, etc. And just go over and confirm the details, fill in the required fields, attach screenshots, tap and submit, and wait for the Stripe response. Usually within a few hours, sometimes it may take days as well. And that's it, everybody. Now we have successfully contacted the Stripe support through the help center. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.